Welcome to our introduction on T-Mobile add-on activation issues. Experiencing issues activating your T-Mobile add-on? You're not alone. Add-ons like extra data, international roaming, or streaming service bundles can sometimes fail to activate due to various reasons. The most common reasons include app glitches, billing errors, device compatibility problems, or network issues. This video will provide you with effective solutions to resolve these problems. Welcome to understanding the T-Mobile add-on activation process. The activation process starts when you initiate the add-on through the T-Mobile app or website. This sends a request to T-Mobile's systems. Next, T-Mobile's system verifies your eligibility. This includes checking your account status and payment method. Many failures happen at this verification stage due to billing errors or account issues. After verification, the add-on is applied to your account. This updates your plan with the new feature. The final step is syncing the add-on to your device. If this fails, you might see error messages like activation failed. Failures usually occur during verification. Explore troubleshooting each part of the process in the next sections. Basic troubleshooting steps, quick fixes. First, restart your device and clear the T-Mobile app's cache. This resolves many minor glitches. Next, ensure your T-Mobile app and your phone's operating system are fully updated. You can also verify that your payment details are correct and that your account balance is sufficient. Lastly, try toggling airplane mode on and off or switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. These simple steps often resolve minor glitches. Billing problems are a frequent cause of activation failure. These can prevent an add-on from activating. Insufficient funds in your account, an expired credit card, or international payment restrictions. Double-check your payment information in the T-Mobile app or website. Look at your account balance and ensure your payment details are up to date. If there's an issue, update your payment method and try activating the add-on again. Troubleshooting these billing issues will help ensure your add-on activates smoothly. Device and app compatibility can cause activation issues with T-Mobile add-ons. Outdated apps can prevent add-ons from activating. Ensure you're using the latest T-Mobile app version, 5.8.0 or later. Incompatible operating system versions can also block activation. Keep your device's OS up to date, such as iOS 18 or higher, or Android 14 or higher. API conflicts on specific devices, like the Samsung Galaxy S24 or Google Pixel 8, may lead to activation problems. T-Mobile regularly releases patches to address these technical snags. Network issues like weak signal strength and poor connectivity can prevent T-Mobile add-ons from activating properly. When your signal is weak, the connection between your device and T-Mobile's servers may drop, causing add-on activations to fail. Check T-Mobile's coverage map to find areas with better signal strength and move there to complete the activation. Switching to a Wi-Fi network can bypass cellular signal issues and allow the add-on to activate successfully. While T-Mobile's ongoing network upgrades have enhanced overall connectivity, rural and remote areas might still experience higher failure rates due to signal instability. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve your T-Mobile add-on activation issue, it's time to escalate to advanced solutions and contact T-Mobile support directly. T-Mobile offers multiple ways to get help with add-on activation issues. You can contact support through their chat feature in the app by calling their customer service line or visiting a physical T-Mobile store. For quick reference, T-Mobile provides contact numbers for personal and business inquiries, general customer care, and technical support. You can also find details for internet support and sales. Before contacting support, prepare relevant information to help resolve your issue faster. This includes your account details, such as your phone number and account PIN, along with a clear description of the problem and any error messages you've encountered. T-Mobile has implemented advanced AI-driven support tools that can detect and automatically resolve many common add-on activation failures. These tools analyze your issue in real time and provide quick fixes without needing to speak to a human representative. According to T-Mobile's data from March 2026, more than 85% of add-on activation issues are now resolved within 24 hours through their self-help resources and AI tools. For the remaining cases, their dedicated support team is available to assist you directly. Let's look ahead at future trends and improvements in add-on activation. T-Mobile is increasingly using AI assistants to automate fixes and predict potential issues before they occur. Future plans include integrating blockchain technology for secure and tamper-proof add-on activations. Augmented reality troubleshooting within the app will provide visual guidance for resolving activation issues. The ultimate goal is zero-touch activation, where add-ons apply seamlessly through device learning. Stay tuned for further enhancements as T-Mobile continues to improve the activation process.